Did you know your stomach replaces its own lining every few days? Your stomach contains extremely strong acid, powerful enough to break down food. In fact, this acid is strong enough to damage your own stomach walls. So your body solves this problem in a clever way. Every few days, the stomach creates a new protective lining to replace the old one. Without this constant renewal, your stomach would slowly digest itself.